So I just watched Sitare Zameen Par, directed by R.S. Prasanna, produced by Amir Khan. What the hell, man? It was just okay. It was just the roles of the students were clearly very defined, but it was so badly directed. The potential wasn't explored with the characters. मुझे ये फील हुआ. ज़्यादा तौर पे आमिर खान की जो भी प्रोड्यूस चीज़ें हैं वो बहुत अच्छी निकलती हैं. आप दिल्ली बेली ले लें, आप लगान ले लें, जाने तो ये जाने ना ले लें, आप दंगल ले लें. इतनी कमाल की प्रोडक्शंस हैं आमिर खान की. तारे ज़मीन पर ऑब्वियसली द बेस्ट इन माय ओपिनियन. उसका तो इधर एक उसका अभी पोस्टर प्रिंट हुआ नहीं है, मैंने बनाया है, वो बस प्रिंट करने के बस. मैं यार इतना एक्साइटेड था यार. It was like, oh, this is sweet and cute because the topic is cute and topic is sweet and beautiful. It was so yes and instead of but then or therefore. It was so okay, this happens and then this happens and then this happens. And it was so predictable. I mean, I didn't want it to be predictable. मैं like कोई 12 साल का बच्चा हूँ और मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मेरे मामू जो है ना मेरे लिए कोई क्या वो स्टार वार्स की शिप है ना जो क्या लेगो सेट लेके आ रहे. इंस्टेड ही जस्ट गेट्स मी द लेगो जिसमें वो 4 ब्लॉक्स होते हैं, बस वो 4 ब्लॉक्स को ऐसे ऐसे करो और वो बन गया. इट फेल्ट लाइक दैट व्हेन इट वाज मार्केटेड लाइक दिस बिग स्टार वार्स शिप जिसमें ऐसे फुल एफर्ट लगते, बहुत सारे पीसेस हैं. द स्टोरी कुड हैव बीन अमेजिंग. Right, the characters were amazing, but they weren't even explored. The depth of them was not explored because here the main character was Amir Khan, and Amir Khan shouldn't have been the main character, in my opinion. It felt like यार मैं इसकी क्यों मूवी देख रहा हूँ? You know, it felt like a deleted scene that should have been deleted. Instead, I'm like, where's the main movie? It should have been about the students. It should have been about the characters. It was about Amir Khan. तो वो मुझे लगता है कि वो मेरे ख्याल से एक बड़ी चीज़ इस मूवी में मिसिंग थी. Would I recommend you to watch this movie? If I wouldn't want you to spend your money on it though, because I spent my money on it. Not worth it. So I don't think I would recommend anyone to go ahead and purchase this. If you're getting a chance to watch this without having to pay for it, then sure. But it's like अगर Netflix पे किसी दिन आ जाती है, जो मुझे नहीं लगता आएगी, लेकिन अगर आ जाती है तो देख लेना. It's a nice lesson, but then again it's a movie. It shouldn't be a public service announcement. उसके लिए आप ad भी बना सकते हैं एक बड़ी अच्छी सी छोटी सी, because it had monologues and I'm a sucker for monologues. I mean, Social Network का poster है, this whole movie is a fucking monologue, लेकिन it's beautiful. It has depth. It's my favorite movie. Like that's the thing about cinema and movies is that it can be exactly the same but be so far apart by being the same. समझ रहे हो? Like shit यार. It could have been so पता नहीं मुझे. People could say कि maybe you have associated your expectations with तारे ज़मीन पर, that's why. I know I did, because guess what, this movie's name is Sitare Zameen Par. So it's like, maybe name it something else so people couldn't have that high of expectations with this movie. And even if it was named something else, let's decide a name. Gulshan Ke Sitare. You know, that's a pretty nice name because the coach's name is Gulshan and the basketball team name is Sitare. So Gulshan Ke Sitare. And Gulshan का मतलब भी garden होता है. So, you know, the stars of the garden, you know. Basically कहने का मकसद ये है कि यार ये एक अच्छी मूवी नहीं थी. मज़ा नहीं आया यार. मतलब it wasn't, you know, wasn't fun. Everything was just unexplored. And there were plot holes as well. It was so tell and not show. It was a lot of tell and not show. And I just wanted to know more about the team and the characters in the team. It's like imagine if Tare Zameen Par के सारे scenes सिर्फ और सिर्फ क्लासरूम से कैमरा निकलती ही नहीं है. ये इमेजिन करो. The only part which was interesting was when Kareem's story was told. No one else's was. Kareem was one of the players of the basketball team. Kareem जब कहानी बताई जा रही थी तो मुझे एक्साइटिंग हो रहा था कि ओके मे बी दिस मूवी इज हेडिंग समवेयर. बट देन किसी और की दिखाई नहीं गई, सबकी सिर्फ बताई जा रही थी. करीम वॉज द ओनली वन जिसकी दिखाई गई थी, बाकी सबकी बताई गई. मुझे सुनना नहीं है, मुझे देखना है. तो दिखा नहीं पाए और समझा नहीं पाए और महसूस नहीं करवा पाए, और इसीलिए मुझे ये मूवी इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगी.